Hello everyone and welcome back to Brodie again, and I'm going to try and make a box in my daddy's workshop. Okay, now but the first thing we're going to do is measure some wood. Oh, here's some. I'm going to make all the sides the same with this ruler. Then we'll have to mark it. This is a set square. It helps you draw a really straight line.
Ow.
What? Twice you had to sharpen it again. Now we've marked it out, now we can cut it. Okay, shall I do it? Apple. I think I might get Daddy to do the rest of the cuts.
Good idea.
Whoa! Well, we didn't measure it quite good, so Daddy's going to tidy it up with his really loud machine. Okay. Here we go! And this like this here, and the last one like this. Look, Daddy, are they making a square?
Ooh, they are. They look good to me.
Okay, now we've got really good size. Now we're going to nail them together or hammer them.
Or hammer them, yeah. Make sure it's all lined up. There you go. Now try and hit right down. So hold it at the far end, on the handle bit there. Look, straight down like that.
Oh my, that's hard.
No. Watch what you're doing. Watch what you're doing. Yeah, boy! Knock it most of the way through until we can see it out the bottom. Oh no, you can't yet. There you go, so you can see it out the bottom. I'll do the same again. Oh no. See, I messed up the nail that time. Let's get rid of it.
How do you do that to get rid of them?
Yeah, that's why it's got that bit on the bottom, so you can grab nails and leave them out. Hang on, wait, my fingers are out of the way. Don't hold it with that end. There you go, very good. Oh. 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 Very good.
I'll give it some hammer.
Hammer time.
That's nice and strong. Now let's make a bottom for it. There. Now I'll get my daddy to cut it out. Ta-da! ta-da! My first box.